Guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm going to show you how to insert a horizontal line in your title of your Google Docs document, right? So as you can see, I have resume as the title here, my resume, and I'm going to insert a horizontal line there. So how do you go about inserting that, guys? What you want to do, you want to simply go ahead and click on format from the options here, from the menu options here, and then you want to go ahead and you want to select the option that says paragraph styles, right? So once you do that, you want to head over to the option that says borders and shades. You want to click on that, and then you want to choose the position here. So you have a few positions here. You have the upper one, you have the lower one, which is the bottom border, and this is the option that you want to choose. Now once you click on that, guys, you have the option now to choose the border width. If you so desire, you can go ahead and you can select that. You can choose the dash as you have here. You can check if you want it to be a solid line or a dotted line. You can choose it. Let's do the dotted line, which is this one. You can also go ahead and you can choose the color as well. Let's go ahead and change that to something like blue. We will choose this, for example, and you also can do like a background color. It's up to you as well if you want to choose that. So you can always play around with that as well. We'll just make something out of it, right? So we'll choose a different color there. You can also do a paragraph padding if you so desire. Now once you're satisfied, guys, choosing all that you want, just simply go ahead and click on apply, and you will have it like that. So as you can see, I have the dotted line on the bottom, I have the background, which is the yellow color, and it's also nice and under the bottom. You can always go back, guys, and make the changes if you're not satisfied. All you have to do is just highlight the text, go back to format, then you want to go to paragraph and style, and border and shadings, and then you can change it to the way you want. So you can come back here, you can click on the white, or you can simply click on none. It's totally up to you, whichever you want. And then you can always change that as well to solid line. So you get the idea, guys, how to come and how to change this to your suiting. Then click apply, and then you have it nice and lovely. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.